Section 2. Mail merge. Mail merge. When you need to send the same letter to a large number of customers, a mail merge is the way to go. Mail merging allows you to add personal information from a spreadsheet or database into a standard form letter in Word. Do you remember Cindy's CD store? Cindy wants to send to each of her customers a business letter containing information about her new business. Creating each letter individually would be a lot of work. But by using mail merge, all you have to do is create one business letter, and then add some placeholders for the information from your database that is unique to each customer. Word takes care of the rest. Creating the business letter. Start by creating a main document. The main document can be any kind of business letter or email. Write the letter as though you are sending it to one person. When you are done, look for the places where customer-specific information needs to go. For example, in your customer database, you may have recorded the customer's first name. You could put a placeholder for this after the salutation. In doing so, it could read Dear Cassie instead of Dear Sir Madam. As you can see, mail merging can make form letters more personal and friendly. Add placeholders for each bit of customer information such as address, city, postcode, first name, and so on. For example, in a form letter, the address block and greeting name would be specific to the customer. We will get this information from a database or contact list. Open the Mail Merge wizard. Once you have the main document written, you are ready to perform a mail merge. To perform a mail merge, click Start Mail Merge on the Mailings tab on the ribbon, and then click Step-by-Step Mail Merge wizard. Select the Mailings tab. Select the Start Mail Merge button. Select the Step-by-Step Mail Merge wizard menu item. The wizard opens on the right of the window in a task pane. It will take 6 steps to create a mail merge with the wizard. To do a mail merge, follow the prompts and click Next at the bottom of the pane to step through the wizard. Note, you can click Previous if you need to go back to an earlier step. In step 1, the wizard opens with a question. It wants to know what type of document you want to merge information into. Cindy is working on a business letter to her customers. So select the letter's document type and continue on to the next step. Select the letter's radio button. Select the Next, Starting Document link. Step 2. The second step in the wizard is to set up the starting document. The options you see in the wizard vary according to the type of document you selected in the first step. Because we selected letters, the options are: Start from a template. In this case, we would start from a ready-to-use mail merge template that can be customized to suit your needs. Start from existing document. This option starts from an existing mail merge document and allows you to make changes to the content or recipients. Use the current document. This is the option Cindy wants. She has already created a business letter and she will use the mail merge wizard to add recipient information. Select the Use the Current Document radio button. Select the Next, Select Recipients link. Select Recipients. In step 3, Cindy will connect her customer list to the business letter. There are 3 options. Option 1. Select from Outlook contacts. If you want to use your Outlook contacts list as your recipient list, select this option. Then, click the Choose Contacts folder to locate and open the correct contacts list. Option 2. Type a new list. If you don't have an appropriate recipient list and want to create one, select this option. The new list is saved as a mailing database MDB file in the My Data Sources folder, which will be located in the My Documents folder. Note: you can reuse the file for future mail merges. Option 3. Use an existing list. If you already have a recipient list that contains the information you want to merge, select this option. Then, click Browse in the wizard to locate and open the file that contains your list. Cindy has her customer database in Excel, so we will select this option. Select the Use an Existing List radio button. Select the Browse link. Navigate to the folder that contains the Excel file and select it. Click the Open button. Select the correct worksheet or table. In this case, it is called Contact List. Click the OK button. After you connect to the recipient list, you choose the recipients that you want to include in your mailing. For Cindy's example, she only needs the first name to go into her letter. Note: the field name for the first name is F2. This will be important when we arrange the main document in step 4. You can refine the recipient list by clicking the buttons listed such as Sort and Filter. Note: the Validate Addresses feature is available if you have a validation program installed. Cindy would like to send a letter to every customer on her list. So she selects them all and then clicks the OK button. Use an existing list. The recipients are now selected from Cindy's contact list. Continue to step 4 by selecting the Next, Write Your Letter link. In step 4, you will need to arrange the main document. In this case, Cindy has already written the main document, so this step will involve adding placeholders fields to the business letter. The main document will be made up of information that stays the same in each merged copy. Changes in each merged copy. The information that changes is known as fields or placeholders. Cindy only wants to do a simple mail merge. It involves adding the first name to the greeting of the letter. Watch how to add the placeholder to the greeting line. Delete the existing greeting line from the document and replace it with a placeholder. Press Delete key. Select the greeting line link from the wizard. This dialog box helps you to set up the placeholder. Cindy's Excel database is a bit unusual, and this wizard is having a problem matching the fields. So we need to click the Match Fields button to select the correct placeholder field from the Excel database. Select the first name drop-down list. Select the F2 menu item. Note: you will recall from step 3 that the field name for the first name is F2. Click the OK button. Click the OK button again. The placeholders fields for the recipient information in each copy is now added into the business letter. You can now go on to the next step where you can review your merge before you complete it. In the preview step, you still have the opportunity to add or remove fields, limit the number of recipients, and specify information. Select the Next, Preview Your Letters link. Step 5. Preview. After you have added all the content and placeholders fields to the main document, you're ready to preview the merge. When you click Next at the bottom of the wizard to move to Step 5, the first document automatically appears. If things look good, click the double right arrow button at the top of the wizard to page through a few more of the documents. If things do not look good, you can go back to the previous step and fix it. Finally, in Step 6, you complete the merge. Select the Next, complete the merge link. When you are satisfied with previews of the merged documents, you're ready to print the final results. Click Print to open the Merge to Printer dialog box. Do you have any last-minute changes? If you still want one more chance to review the results, or if you want to customize selected letters, click Edit Individual Letters in the wizard. Cindy can now print out her business letters and send them to her customers. This is much faster than writing them individually. This is the end of the demonstration. Remember, mail merge can be used for a range of similar situations such as emails, mailing labels, envelopes, and so on. For example, try using the wizard to merge an email with your Outlook contact list.